Vloggmas, good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Just going to do a little get ready with me this morning, and I thought whilst I get ready we might do a little Christmas unpopular opinions. I imagine you saw in yesterday's vlog book unpopular opinions that I asked for on Instagram, but I also asked for your unpopular Christmas opinions at the same time, and I got some great answers. As I said yesterday, I'm not trying to offend anyone. We've all got different feelings, opinions, and we will not all agree with each other. But this is just like a fun little thing to do. Actual Christmas Day is the worst day of Christmas season. Similar but different. Christmas Eve is better than Christmas Day. Less pressure and still excitement of the build up to Christmas. I think I agree. Maybe not that Christmas Day is the worst day of the Christmas season. Maybe for me that would be, I don't know, Christmas packing. If you may have noticed, I hate packing. I do think Christmas Eve is definitely, I think I've said that before actually, that Christmas Eve is my favourite day. Although I do like the general build up as well. But I do enjoy Christmas Day most years. Some years you have a crappy one, I think. It's more fun to save presents for the end of the day. I didn't know people did, well obviously people do a version of everything, don't they? But I think that's quite interesting. I don't think I would be totally opposed to that. I think, well, what we do is we wake up, we do stockings and Father Christmas presents in pyjamas. Then we'll have breakfast maybe. Last couple of years, Zach and I have made breakfast, which I enjoy. And then we will go and get ready for the day, and then we'll do tree presents. But I do like dragging out the tree presents, I have to say, so I'm not opposed to doing them at the end of the day. Maybe like after lunch might be quite nice, I don't know. Someone said, I find Elf utterly disturbing. I have to say, I did used to like Elf, or I thought I liked Elf. In recent years, I haven't even watched it because, yeah, it definitely got grating for me. I just did not like it. In fact, there was quite a lot of Elf hate in here, so it's not too unpopular of an opinion. Someone said way too commercialised and not about its original meaning. I think in general, I am totally with you. I have to say I do enjoy a Christmas advert, but the fact that that's a thing is probably not good. But I do think it is kind of what you make it as well. Like, you can put your blinkers on and ignore all that stuff and sort of enjoy it for what it is, and enjoy spending time with family if that's what you want to do. Just, you know, enjoy a bit of time off if you manage to get time off. Main presents from parents under the tree, little gifts from Father Christmas in stocking. That's pretty much what we do. We do have Christmas sacks as well, but main presents are always from parents under the tree. Stocking, gifts. Lots of hate for turkey. Turkey's boring and dry and essentially pointless to the meal, and we all agree on that one. Turkey is awful. I do think, should I ever be in charge of doing Christmas dinner myself, I will just get rid of the turkey. Like, what is the point? I am not going to be a sucker for traditions there. Someone said The Holiday, the movie, is rubbish. Look, it is rubbish. It is so rubbish. But I have to say, it's the brand of rubbish that I enjoy. I do find it more watchable than some of the Christmas crap they come out with these days. Oh, someone else said presents after dinner, so it must be a thing. Love Actually is overrated. Again, this is one I'm falling out of love with it. I mean, we've all seen the articles talking about how problematic it is. I do still kind of like watching it, but as the years go on, I am finding it more irritating. Will I keep watching it? Probably. But I agree, it's probably, I mean, it's definitely overrated. There aren't that many Christmas songs I actually like. Now, before this year, a few years ago I loved Christmas songs, and then I really fell out of love with them for a bit. But this year I've really been enjoying them again. The baby really enjoys them, so maybe that's why, because I can see how much enjoyment she's getting out of the plinky plonky music. Yes, I am back into Christmas songs, I have to say. Christmas movies are not that good. Do not agree. There's so many good Christmas movies. I think my top ones are The Grinch and Klaus. Really love those. I really love The Santa Claus. I like movies like Fred Claus. I think I like good trashy movies. Like I said, The Holiday. Unless you're a child, you shouldn't get presents. It's too stressful and expensive buying for everyone. I do think as I'm getting older that present buying is, well, it's just less exciting, I think, in general. I agree, there is something magical about it for kids, and like I've said, this month there is actually a few things in it sort of, you know, toys help with their development. It's a big part of their thing is play. Obviously they don't need many toys, and they don't need very complex toys, but she does need a few things now she's a bit older to just sort of help with her development and play and to keep her attention a bit better. I'm with you on kids getting toys. I do think it's nice to have something to open, but maybe in future I would definitely be open to doing that thing that some families do where they sort of buy for one person, and so one person buys for one other person and we don't buy for everyone, and then you'd get more like thoughtful wish list based gifts, things that they actually need, because I do feel like there's things I would never buy myself but I would definitely really like or actually genuinely find useful in my life, but I just never buy them myself because I think it's indulgent or whatever. So I think that sort of thing is nice to buy and receive at Christmas, but I do think we should all be writing more wish lists and stuff and really giving people a good idea of what to buy so there's less waste. A lot of hate for eggnog. I've never tried it. I know it's an American thing. I do feel like it's the kind of thing that I would enjoy, to be honest. I feel like, in my mind, it's kind of like a custardy type thing. So I feel like I'd probably kind of enjoy it, but I can imagine some people would hate it, to be fair. Matching pyjamas for Christmas is a no. The only people I do matching pyjamas with are my friends on our sort of Friendsmas. I don't do it with the fam. I don't know, it's just a thing in recent years, isn't it? I don't do it not for any particular reason. Someone said coloured lights over white lights, but other people definitely said they hate coloured lights. I've got to say I'm on the warm white bandwagon. I'm not a big coloured lights fan. I don't know. I think it can, in unique circumstances, it can work nicely, but in general, they're not for me. Someone said I hate tinsel. I really love tinsel, and tinsel is so out of fashion now. I feel like you can, I haven't even seen where you can buy it these days. I think on my tree I will have tinsel, I'm afraid. Having a fake Christmas tree is sacrilege. I'm definitely a real tree kind of gal, but I do get why some people have fake ones. I think in some circumstances it works better. Not a fan of mince pies or mulled wine. I like both, I have to say. I like both. I love mince pies, you know. If you get a good one, they're so nice. Mulled wine, I'm less keen on, as in I'm less wedded to, but I do like it, especially if you get a good one. Again, I don't know what I'm doing with my makeup because I'm so distracted by our unpopular opinions. Chocolate oranges are awful. No, they are amazing. I absolutely love them. They were one of the things, I suppose you could call it a craving that I had last year, but really I just wanted to eat a million of them. But I wouldn't say it felt like a strong craving. But I ate a lot during my pregnancy last year. Chocolate with that tangy orange. It just really was just wonderful. Socks and underwear are always exciting gifts to receive. I agree. I love socks and underwear. Zach got me loads of socks last Christmas because I really needed them, and I'm still wearing them, now. So I agree. Again, it's one of the things that you never want to buy yourself loads and loads of socks. So I'm always happy with socks. The Polar Express is fantastic. This one made me laugh because it does get a lot of hate, doesn't it, the Polar Express film? But I agree, I also really like the film. I don't know. Well, I know it's really weird. I should have put that on my list of ones that I enjoy. But I also enjoy it. I can't tell you why. Don't know if you can see it, by the way. This is where the baby has scratched me with her claws. Controversially, for this little question box, you shouldn't have to write a list. It's better when people just know what to get you. See, I'm thinking lists are good these days. I have bought Zach mostly stuff off his list. I think I got him one surprise. Because I personally also do like a surprise. And when people know what to get me. But I'm thinking for waste purposes, better to just get people what they want and not risk it. Or I think if you're getting someone multiple gifts, then one surprise and everything else off their list is a good way to go, which is what I've done. Summer Christmases are better. Longer days, swimming and barbecues still have pretty lights. See, I've had mixed things about this recently. Like, I definitely read a post, but it might have been a Brit in Australia saying that although they love living in Australia, the hot Christmases just isn't right, and they don't feel like Christmassy because all the rest of the traditions are based in winter. But I do see how it could be nice. Right, my loves, I'm gonna leave it there, but thank you for sending in your unpopular Christmas opinions. I enjoyed reading them very much. Just remembered after I'd done my mascara that I wanted to blend my eyeliner a little bit. Anyway, today, my loves, I think we're gonna head out. We're gonna do just a little wander around some shops because Zach's mum, Geraldine, has got a bauble for each of her grandchildren, and I think everyone in the family, on the tree. And obviously Ines doesn't have one yet, so we need to source a bauble for the baby and pick one out and just have a little look around, basically. I keep forgetting to film my outfits, by the way, my loves, but to be fair, they are pretty basic. Just wearing some of my old faves, basically wearing these Ray jeans and my new Free People shirt, just very oversized and comfy, to be honest. You'll have to imagine shoes on my feet again because we're in a no shoes household. We are just, where are we? Brighouse. Gonna get a coffee. And it is freezing. Okay, I'm a southern fairy again. And I can't handle my cold. But also, to be fair, it's been so mild down south that neither Zach nor I brought any appropriate clothing. So that is contributing to our southern fairiness. But we are cold. Aren't we, Zach? Yeah. The baby's all wrapped up. She got multiple layers on. So I did not finish the vlog yesterday, but I hope you enjoyed. We had a really nice day, and in the evening we did a little Christmas quiz, which was fun. Yeah, we got baubles for each family member. They were not particularly well stocked at the garden centre, obviously, because it's very close to Christmas, but we managed to get some, pop them on the tree. So just had a really nice day. But yeah, thank you for watching today, guys, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.